Good afternoon to all of you. And this is Ranjan joining you from Smart Finance, Chennai. And this particular presentation, I am going to describe the Gann trend reversal date. So utilizing our Gann trend reversal software, I am going to describe it. This is one of the fantastic tool which gives you which are the days the trend is going to change. Trend reversal means the trend is going to change. So for the month of June, these are the trend reversal dates it is giving you for Nifty. In fact, the July dates will change at the end of June. The dates for July is going to alter or change. And this we have used 5 different Gann method: Gann angle, high-low square, static angle, low angle, and high angle method. So few years before, these methods are totally alien to the traders. People do not know how to calculate this Gann trend reversal date. Though there are lot of topics about the Gann trend reversal date, but this is the one most practical thing we have decoded or understood from the Gann's method. So I am using the decoded. It is by the WD Gann. I have understood it and put it in the usable form. So this is not my method. I have not innovated. So here coming to the trend reversal date for the June month for the Nifty. So we are getting these dates 10th, 16th, and I am using these two most accurate methods, 12 and 23rd. So 4 dates are you are getting. So one is past 10th, 16th in the low angle, and you are going to get in the high angle 12th and 23rd. So 12th and 23rd. So these are the date the trend is going to change. Means whatever was there in the 9th, 10th you will see a opposite trend. But it will not continue. Whatever is happening on 11th, 12th it is going to change. So if I just go to the NSE site and give you the data for test, because one of the date is past, 10th is already over yesterday. So 9th, the market was down. Nifty was negative closing on 9th as compared to 8th. 8th, it has closed at 10,165. 9th, it was 10,034. And 10th, you have seen the opening basis 10,076 it has opened. Low it has made 10,037, almost equal to 9th closing price. High 10,154 closed positive. So whatever happened in the 9th of June, opposite of that happened in the 10th of June. So trend reversal date worked perfectly here. So tomorrow also you have a trend reversal date 12th. I am recording it in the 11th. So today market is 101 point down 10,017 when I am recording this event. So tomorrow you can expect the market to be positive. So at this point of time, how I should work, how I should take the benefit of that. So I am seeing that this is being negative now, and 12th I have a trend reversal date. So I can think of buying the future here along with one 10,000 put option, 10,000 put option for hedging purpose. I can buy this future along with the 10,000 put option buy to hedge it. So tomorrow I am anticipating that it will be having a positive opening or positive closing. If the trend reversal happens tomorrow, I'll book profit and come out. If my trend reversal fails, did not work, then I have to book the loss and come out towards the end of the day tomorrow, that is on the 12th of June. So these are the 4 important trend reversal date for the Nifty for the month of June. Same way we can see for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also. So this is a very handy tool. This is also available in the Android edition. So I'm just loading the data. Once I just hit the button, it will automatically calculate and tell me the things. So here 6th and 7th was the trend reversal date for the Bank Nifty. Both are holidays. So 5th or 8th, I should have got the trend reversal date impacted because it is holiday. Both of them are falling on holiday. And high angle also it is telling 11th and 15th. Today is 11th is a trend reversal day, 15th is a trend reversal day. So we can have a look on the Bank Nifty June. So this is the data. So here I was telling you 5th or 8th we should have a trend reversal date. So 5th or 8th. So I'm just going for 2 weeks. So what happened on 4th? We can see here. So here 4th was a down, 3rd was a up day 20,882, 4th 500 point down, 5th was a uptrend day, you got a 700 point oscillation. So because the holidays are 2 days are falling in the holidays, 8th also couple of points you have moved down. Today also is 11th and is a trend reversal date. As per our calculation, today also is a trend reversal date. So 10th, what was the closing? 10th, it was a positive closing. So 9th, it was 20,677. 10th, yesterday, it was a 400 point positive closing. 10th of June, it is visible here. So today, the trend reversal is working here. So trend reversal is impacting, working today also in the Bank Nifty. So using this software, you can able to find out the trend reversal of any stock future symbol. So here we enabled all stock future symbol. It also has a trend reversal scanner. So using this, you can scan which of the stocks are having the trend reversal date tomorrow. So it has a scanner which can give you these are the stocks are having the trend reversal date tomorrow, falling on tomorrow. Reliance, Muthoot Finance, all these Bicons and other things. This also you can utilize. It has specific GANs, square of 9, square of 12, GAN angle volatility, these methods program which can help you in a great way. So here the point is, once you are looking at the trend reversal date, Bank Nifty trend reversal date, you are not concerned about the pricing part. So today it is a trend reversal date, it's falling, or 15th there is a trend reversal date. So Friday, tomorrow, so 15th is a trend reversal day, 12th it is positive, means 15th it should be negative. So based on that anticipation, I have to work on that. So this is a very handy tool, great tool. You can experience this month, and if you are interested, you can purchase this particular software. This which costs you 3,500, 3,540. So this is, you visit our website smartfinancing.com, and you can visit our website smartfinancing.com, and here in the product section you will get the WD-GAN price time analysis software. Click here. So once you click here, you just scroll down, you can online buy it, and we can able to give you the installation instantly. So product details, you can see what are the things it is having. User manual of the software also we have given here. So before you purchase, you will know that what are the things is there in the software. So all this pricing information are transparently given. You will be getting 2 editions. This is how the mobile edition look like, and this is the mobile edition look like. So same way the desktop edition I have shown you, the mobile edition screenshots you can find it here. So here mobile edition, how it look like also you can. And if you have any query related to the product, you can call us in this number. So this landline number, currently due to Corona, our people are not in desk, but you can very well call me in the mobile number, and you can. And we have a fantastic WD-GAN course. If you want to learn WD-GAN, it is one of the fantastic innovation of the world, I can say, in the technical analysis. It is one of the finest innovations which is purely mathematical. No ambiguity is there, no historic postmortem of data is there. It is a great course, and this course details you can find it out here. I have simplified this course so that all of you can take the benefit of this mathematical concept. It is almost 4.5 hours of audiovisual course along with a book written by me, and this course you can get it in 2,500, and you can utilize these concepts in the commodity market, in currency market, in stock market in a very, very precise way. Its success rates are fabulous. Like, you can experience this timing analysis. I can say you there is no method which can give you better understanding on the trend reversal date, trend change date, other than the GAN's method. So this, have a look on this, observe first, experience first how the Nifty and Bank Nifty is behaving this month as per our software calculation, GAN's calculation. If you are convinced with that, and if you think that it is a useful tool, buy this tool and share this video with your friends. If you like this video, please give a like. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.